Hello friends, welcome back once again in my video. Today I am going to speak on how to speak fluent English. If you want to become fluent, you have to make English habit. English habit is very important for good communication and for good fluency. The most natural way to learn English is the way of the mother tongue. The mother tongue we didn't learn in any school or colleges. We learn language by our parents. We learn it when we are too young, too small. We learn it by listening repeatedly. That time listening is very important. But at this age means like 15, 20, 21 and so on, our brain fully mature. We can't only depend on listening. We have to do all the four simultaneously. Listening, speaking, reading, writing. If you do all the four simultaneously, you become good in English. Because without communication, success is not possible in today's era. If you want endless success, you have to be good in communication. If I'm speaking to you, my speaking is improving. If you start practicing, your English will also improve. Communication skill means that which can you learn and that which can you forget also. It's a human tendency. If English is not your first language, do practice every day. Otherwise, you fumble while talking, because I do face this type of problem. That's why I'm telling to you. Communication is very important. You should have some English conversation every day. Even if you can't speak one sentence continuously, don't worry. You say 4 words in English and 2 words in Hindi, and next day 5 words in English and 1 word in Hindi. Always use more English in your conversation. Make it as a habit. For good fluency, English habit is very important. Eventually, over time, you bringing betterment. Our habit will either make us or break us. We bring what we repeatedly do. In today's era, everyone wants instant gratification, but without practice, you will not get any kind of gratification. My mom always saying to me, you can't change your habit. You can't change your future, you only change your habit. If you change your habit, your future will automatically change. It is true. You have to do rigorous practice. If you want fluent English, you have to do rigorous practice. Today, if you speak so well, you can become better. If I speak so well, I become better and better. You can go on improving. There is no limit to improvement. I would like to share one story. Somebody reads 20 books on swimming. After read, he feel very confident. He go to swimming pool. Somebody push them in, and that fellow goes down and starts screaming, help me, help me. Why it's happened? Because he didn't do any practice. He never do practice on swimming, but he read 20 books and he feel very confident. Remember, confidence without hard work is a fake confidence. English is like that. People read so much about English. People read so much about grammar, but they forget practicing. Practice is very important. If you want fluency, you have to make English habit. No one else can improve your English. You only improve your English by doing regular practice. Do practice unless and until you become perfect on it. आज मैं आपको 3 what you require to become good in fluency. You have to require content, language and consistency. अगर आपको अच्छा लैंग्वेज बोलना है, इंग्लिश सीखना है तो आपको हमेशा कंटेंट तैयार करना पड़ेगा, उसके बारे में लिखना होगा। उसके बाद उस चीज़ को जो आप लिखेंगे उसको आप बहुत बार, 10 बार, 20 बार उसको प्रैक्टिस करिए। और विदाउट सेइंग दैट पेज यू अटर दैट व्हाट यू हैव रिटन, यू अटर इट। ऐसा अगर कंटिन्यूसली करेंगे, आई एम श्योर योर इंग्लिश विल बिकम बेटर। आई होप this video helped you immensely. Wait for my next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.